This floor gap fixing tool gives you everything you need in a complete kit to fix hardwood floors and laminate floorings that have separated. It lets you slide them together. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. A purchase link is in the video description. This is everything you get in the package: instructions, a rubber mallet, a grabbing tool. This extension bar lets you get into corners and do some other difficult operations. The tool itself, and some extra pads. The pad on the bottom is the secret to this whole system. It is tacky. It's not an adhesive, but it is enough to grip the piece of wood or laminate. So when you give it it moves the laminate or piece of wood with the tool and leaves no residue behind. This is a way to instantly get results. Here's a situation where I have a pretty big gap here. This needs to come that way. I remove the protective plastic and then place this here. Give that a little push. Here's an issue. I'm not going to be able to get the mallet in there. That's where this can come in handy. You put the felt pads down on the tool itself. Now I have a place where I can hammer. I've already cleaned out this gap, so watch the gap disappear. Awesome! Look at that! That did a perfect job! Peel this up. Again, no residue is left behind. The gap is completely filled. Amazing! This laminate floor has moved well more than an inch. I'll be able to take care of that, no problem. Amazing. Everything is made out of high construction grade aluminum. This will hold up. And the process is easy to use. Just about anyone can do it. Overall, this does what it's supposed to do. It does it really well. I really like it.